How to select whole month on Skyscanner app. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'll be showing you the ways on how you can select whole month on Skyscanner app. In order to select the whole month on Skyscanner app, first of all, launch your application, log in into your account. Once you're logged into your account, you'll be taken to the home page. Right over here you can see there is the option as explore everywhere. Select the type of trip that you're actually doing, and once you've done that, you can see underneath you also need to select the destination. After you're done selecting the destination, you have dates of travelers, and by default it's anytime, so you need to make it specific. So for that, tap on the anytime button. Now you can select the specific month. So for now I'm just going to select the month of November, so select month, and after that you can see these are all the category, and click on the done button. After that, it's going to categorize it with estimated lowest price, so accordingly you can select the particular country or the state that you actually want to visit. And once you've done that, you need to go through the information on all sort of details. That's how you can select the whole month on Skyscanner app. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. If it did really help you, make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.